Now it is. Yeah. Dinner on the bayou. All cooked corn, taters. I suppose some of y'all know what these things are. Cooked it right out here on the front porch, on the back porch.
Caught them right out of the river.
Right out there is where they come from. Remember me showing y'all them crab traps? They are out there catching crabs right now. Big smoker right here to smoke the meat in. Smaller smoker right there to smoke meat in. Chair to sit in while it's doing its thing. Another cooker right here. Oh yeah, cook down here. JD is an excellent chef. He cooks good. Yeah, y'all can't have none of these. Me and JD's gonna eat them. Maybe Cynthia and David whenever they get home from work. But we're gonna eat. Food fresh out of the bayou. I've already been decimating the corn. You see what I'm working on. I'm eating it. And I'm going to. Glass of tea that I've drunk most of already.
Chicken and dumplings?
Got chicken and dumplings inside. I done eat a bait of them too. Big old frog up here. Holding a sign that says free kisses. But we've got the bayou out here. The crabs are running. The catfish are running. And we've been catching them. That's just this morning's catch. Them crabs are. That's just what we caught this morning. And cooked. And some of them's already gone because we've been eating them. This is God's country down here. Y'all see it. I just wanted to share with you that we do catch, cook, and eat right here. I hope y'all have a place where you can do this and enjoy it as much as we do. May God bless you all. Bye.